Hi, this is William Orth from the Law Offices of William S. Orth. Ask me, am I entitled to alimony? If you're an individual that's involved in a divorce proceeding, you may be, according to Florida law, entitled to alimony. Alimony could be either on a short-term basis, temporary alimony, or rehabilitative alimony. It might be on a long-term basis. It could be permanent periodic alimony. Or alimony can also be in the form of a lump sum payment. Alimony is based on a lot of considerations. One of them is the number of years a couple have been married. In the state of Florida, there's no bright line test on alimony and whether or not alimony is going to be ordered by a court. Generally, from 0 to 9 years of marriage, there's going to be a presumption against alimony. From 9 to 12 or 13 years of marriage, it's a gray area, so alimony is a question mark. If your marriage is longer than 12 or 13 years, there's a presumption for alimony. Alimony may also be based on whether or not there exists a disparity in income between the two individuals. A very good example of that is maybe one individual or one parent or spouse works outside the home and makes a significant amount of money. The other spouse is a stay-at-home parent. Couple that with a long-term marriage and it's very likely that you might have alimony ordered in that case. Alimony comes in different forms. There's alimony that is given on a temporary basis. There's alimony that's given on a periodic basis. And you can couple the two together and it might be temporary periodic alimony. There's also something called rehabilitative alimony. That's designed to help somebody get back into the workplace, possibly go to college and receive training so that they can get a better job. There's also lump sum alimony. Lump sum alimony is exactly what it means. It's a large sum of money that's given up front to avoid having to make permanent payments. The last kind of alimony is permanent periodic. That's where a person may have an alimony obligation which exists for a long period of time and is given on a monthly basis. If you have more questions about this topic, call me at my office at 407-772-0000 or you can email me at worth@williamorthlaw.com.